So I'm going to ask all of this. And then here, I'm going to scroll through all the code real fast so you can see it all. If you're an advanced programmer, then boom, you have an LSTM model that I'm using here. You can see I'm using Keras TensorFlow here. Liquidation. I'm using liquidation data. So I've been collecting liquidation data here. I see a heartbreak over there in the AI chat, and that breaks my heart. It means that it wasn't a great model, but that's okay because we're just getting started here, and this is the RBI system, dude. Research, backtest, implement. Research, backtest, implement. So I'm using machine learning here in order to look at the liquidation data. I've been collecting the liquidation data for over a year now. You can see this is a ton of code, and I'm giving it all to you because I believe this is bigger than me, dude. I don't care. Like, I'm going to be fine. I'm always going to be fine. And I'm always going to come up with new ideas, and I'm always going to build new edge, and I'm always going to find new anomalies. And that's part of the game, dude. If I show everything, then guess what? I have to keep going. I got to work harder than you, dude. So I'll outwork you every single day. That's why you're astonished. MoonDev's still here. What the heck is going on? What the helly? Damn, this is a lot of code. You could see it's already at 460 lines here. Let's keep it going because people say, put the fries in the bag, MoonDev. No, they say put the code in the bag, dude. They just want to see the code. So you can see all the code here. And then you can go put the fries in the bag, put a little garlic powder on them too. Please, I love garlic fries. Actually, you know what I like more than garlic fries is garlic tostones. Never had a tostone? Come on. Come on, bro. I found the best garlic tostones on the island. I'll tell you about them later. You can see she's updating the code while I scroll through all the code. So you're going to get a last version of the code, but it's still dope because it's a lot of code. So you can see we've been working on this a long time. I hope this doesn't intimidate you if you are brand new, dude. The cool thing about AI, I'm using cursor here, and it shows you. You could just be like, hey, this doesn't make sense to me. Please go ahead and tell me step by step how to use this. Please, please, please. I've got an AI agent down here also working for me, so she's filling up this folder. That's pretty sick. I want to see how these titles are looking, but let me go ahead and scroll through all the code first. So you can see we're adding in this initialized metrics dictionary first to avoid unbound local error. Okay, great. Detailed up and down analysis here. So we're just predicting if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. I've got these stats here on the right side that I'm going to read through here in just a second. I just want to make sure you see all the code. I want you to have all the code, dude. So we're removing this part, and then we're just adding in confusion matrix. Great. I can see the metrics dictionary is already properly initialized. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is all the code, bro. Much love to you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. 777. Okay, that's all the code, dude. So you saw it all. Beautiful. Now you can be it all. Damn, this is 1,300 lines of code, bro. That's a lot. 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 Make sure you see it all, every single piece of it. Don't want to leave anything out. There you go. Boom. So let's go ahead and say skip here, but let's say accept. Okay, and now let's go back to our review. Since you saw the code, we can see what it updated, and then we can roll with it. But I want to read what she said first. Okay, so brutal, honest analysis. The optimization failed. Looking at these results, I need to give you the harsh truth. Oh my God. It failed. It failed. The same problem persists. Down only predictor is back. 0 predicted up. 523 down. Down only predictor detected. Never predicts up move. Brutal reality. The optimization completely failed to fix the core problem. The illusion of success. Overall accuracy 92.35 looks great, but it achieves this by never predicting up moves. Up accuracy 0.00 catches 0 profitable moves. This is useless for trading. Confusion matrix breakdown. True slash predictions. Down, up. Okay. Trading reality. This model would never buy. Always sell short. Miss every profitable opportunity. Be completely useless for making money. Class imbalance too severe. 92% versus 7.6% up. Short sequence length. 10 steps. May lose important patterns. Still learning. Always predict down equals accuracy. Need more aggressive balancing techniques. Now let me fix the AUC code so we can see the actual AUC score, which will likely be 0.5 since it never predicts up. Okay, LSTM model, accuracy, okay, that all makes sense. Let me find the exact location where the metrics dictionary needs to be defined. I can see the issue. The metrics dictionary is defined after the AUC calculation. Let me fix this. Thank you. Let me find the specific line where this needs to be added. Great. I can see the metrics dictionary and all is already properly initialized before the AUC calculation. This issue seems to be that there's a duplicate metrics dictionary at the end. Let me fix this by removing the duplicate and updating the Confucian metrics matrix. Perfect. The AUC is actually already fixed. Perfect, perfect, perfect.